Welcome to this lecture. And in this lecture, we will be studied about how to install the Python software and how to set the Python path. Firstly, download the Python distribution form, which is www.python.org/download. You can see here a link. So you can uh, add a link on your link bar. So you can find option of this download. So you can see here the download the latest software for the Windows. So you can see one is the Python 3.6.2 and the Python 2.7.13. So I just click on download Python 3.6.2. So you can see a file is downloading. It start downloading here. It is 29.1 MB file, so it takes several time, so we should wait for it. So you can see our software is downloaded here, so we just click on the software and run the software for the installation. So you can see install Python 3.6.2 for 32 bits operator. So I just click on install now. So it is installing. So installation is very simple in the Python, so we should wait for the installation. So you can see here our Python is successfully installed. So now we just turn to the Python path, means setting up the Python path. So before starting working with the Python, a specific path is to set. Your Python program is executable code can resize in any dictionary of your system. Therefore, operating system provides a specific search path that indexes the directories operating system should search for executable code. The path is set in the environmental variable for my computer properties. So we just go to the my computer properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and then create a new path. So we just see how it's work. I just click on this PC and then go to the properties.